country and your country. You did very well in the last year. Like this to me is my country right now. The Union Jack devoid of any colour or passion or hope. We have no leaders that can take us out of this mess. We have only the punks and the goths and all the kids that were rebelling in 1979. We're pissed off again, and we're not going to let the world ignore it because you guys were pissed off and you were able to find somebody to help you. So he promises, you know, that guy better stick to his promises because it's so good to see a bit of hope in this country. I've taught here for 5 or 6 years and it's nice to walk down the street and feel like you guys feel like you're going somewhere. It's good. Anyway, this is a song I wrote for my country, but it's a universal message. For our country, the world, our country. So if you're ready for some battle, if you want to join me on my fight. This is my first day in America, and by the end of it, we will have won a war. Trust me. It starts with a small crowd, but it will end with revolution.